Greetings, roadway warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury and adventure blend in spectacular fashion. We're thrilled to showcase a 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F with only 11,000 miles. This 40-foot all-electric Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner chassis, features the elegant 38F floor plan with 4 enormous slide-outs, sleeping up to 4 in sumptuous comfort. Adorned in Fleetwood's stunning Pinnacle full-body paint package, this RV radiates grandeur, powered by a mighty Cummins diesel engine. Join us for a captivating tour to uncover every luxurious detail of this exceptional coach. Let's begin with the exterior, where the 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F captivates with timeless sophistication. The Pinnacle graphics package bathes this coach in striking upscale hues, ensuring it dazzles at every campground or scenic vista. Stretching 40 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter diesel engine, it produces 360 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for seamless performance. Brand new tires all around ensure reliability and style, making this RV ready for countless journeys. The exterior is packed with premium features to elevate your outdoor experience. Basement storage compartments around the entire exterior, with pull-out storage space, offer ample room for camping gear, outdoor equipment, or personal treasures. An exterior entertainment center with a small TV, speakers, and stereo creates a vibrant setup for outdoor movie nights or tailgating with friends. A power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers craft a shaded, luxurious oasis at any campsite. 4-point automatic one-touch hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make navigation effortless. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch adds versatility for towing. Powering your travels is seamless with this all-electric RV's top-tier systems. An Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator on a slide-out tray with auto-gen start delivers robust power for off-grid adventures. A 50-amp service with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units keep you comfortable year-round, while the AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system provides hot water and furnace heat for cozy travels. Heated tile floors throughout add a touch of luxury, making this RV a standout for upscale adventurers. Step inside, and the 38F floor plan unfolds as a sumptuous retreat, perfect for intimate getaways. 4 enormous slide-outs create a spacious interior that sleeps up to 4, ideal for couples or small groups seeking refined comfort. The layout features a king-size Encore Series bed in the rear master bedroom and a huge pull-out sleeper sofa in the front living room. The large living room is a cozy haven with a pull-out sleeper sofa, recliner, 42-inch TV, and electric fireplace with heat, perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. A front table dinette with 4 chairs and a 32-inch TV above the front seats adds a practical dining and entertainment space, enhanced by heated tile floors and high-gloss cabinetry. The full kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, designed for effortless meal preparation. It boasts stainless steel appliances, including a residential refrigerator and freezer, an induction stovetop, a microwave convection oven, a dishwasher, a residential sink with faucet, and an extendable countertop for all your cooking needs. The nearby dinette ensures comfortable dining for intimate meals or planning adventures. The private bathroom is exceptional, featuring an oversized shower enclosure with glass doors, skylight, dual sink and vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, delivering a spa-like experience. A vented closet with stackable washer and dryer hookups, washer and dryer not included but can be added for an additional cost, adds convenience for extended trips. The rear master bedroom is a tranquil oasis, crafted for restful nights. The Encore Series king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closet, and drawer storage, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, enhanced by elegant window treatments for a warm, luxurious vibe. The king bed and pull-out sleeper sofa provide comfortable sleeping for up to 4, ideal for intimate escapes or small group adventures. Let's spotlight what makes this RV extraordinary. The 38F floor plan with 4 slide-outs offers a luxurious interior for 4. The Cummins ISB engine and Freightliner chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and all-electric systems support off-grid adventures. Premium features like the AquaHot 400D heating, heated tile floors, and Pinnacle paint package add elegance, while the dishwasher and washer/dryer hookups boost practicality. Picture yourself cruising in this 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F, exploring mountain passes, coastal highways, or tranquil campgrounds with your loved ones. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in the upscale kitchen, lounging by the electric fireplace, or sinking into the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like luxury with the freedom of the open road, and its Pinnacle exterior ensures you arrive in style. With only 11,000 miles, every journey will create lasting memories. Let's dive deeper into why this Discovery is a standout choice. Fleetwood's craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, heated tile floors, and thoughtful features like the dishwasher and power awnings. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes inspire confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a pleasure. From the spacious bathroom to the washer-dryer hookups, this RV is built for luxury and convenience. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? Reach out at 864-260-9276. Email sales@portersrvsales.com or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this luxurious walk-around of the 2019 Fleetwood Discovery 38F. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.